Thirsties. Welcome back. We are almost done with our week of money. We have 2 more days. Today, we are going to be talking about all of the coins again and counting them because we know it's so important to keep practicing. I really hope that maybe you're able to find some of these coins around your house. Maybe your mom or your dad or your auntie or your uncle has some of these coins that you can help count and borrow them. So let's take a look at our I can statement for today. Our I can statement is about money, of course. I can compare the values of coins. Remember, value is how much a coin is worth. The value of a quarter is 25 cents. And I can match their values to their pictures. So just like we've been practicing, that means that you can see a picture of a quarter and you can say that that is 25 cents and you know it's a quarter. So important that you know the words and their value, okay? So we're going to watch a short video of somebody doing some math problems and then we're gonna work on them together. You will need your pencil and your paper or your whiteboard, okay? I'll see you in a minute to get started.
Friends, today's lesson is for Module 6, Lesson 22. You know, my sister loves to have more of anything than I do. Like if I have 1 cookie, she needs to eat 2. If I take a 10-minute shower, she wants to take a 12-minute shower. She just loves more. Well, this morning, something happened. She brought a coin. She came running into the living room. She said, look at all the money I have. I have a nickel. Ooh, I have more money than you do. I was like, I don't think so, because I held out the coin that I had, and it was a dime. But she was like, no way, mine is bigger and mine is worth more. You know, that got me thinking, how can I compare the value of coins? Well, this is great, because our learning goal for today literally is, I can compare the values of different coins. Now, values mean, or the value of a coin is how much is it worth, right? Let's real quick, like a bunny, review the different coins that we've learned about and their values. So friend, what coin is this? Yep, it's the big one. He's the quarter. A quarter is worth a lot. How much is he worth? Great job. Yeah, 25 cents. A quarter's value is 25 cents. What about, another big coin, the nickel. How much is that nickel worth? Excellent job. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Ooh, look at this really shiny copper penny. How much is a penny worth? Do you remember? Excellent. Yes, a penny is worth 1 cent. And then finally, I have one more coin sitting here. The little tiny dime. How much is he worth? Excellent. His value is 10 cents. All right, so let's go ahead and figure out them with the most value all the way to the least amount of value. So which coin is worth the most? Can you tap on it? Yep, right here. The quarter. He's worth 25. Then what would be the next highest number? Yep, that would be the dime. He's tiny, but he's worth 10. His value is pretty high. Then which one would come next if we're sorting? Perfect, the nickel, because his value is 5 cents. And then last but not least, the coin that's worth the smallest amount is the penny with just 1 cent. All right, good. So now that we've reviewed, let's go back to what my sister was bragging about to me. She had a nickel and I had a dime. So let's go ahead and write it down for her so she can see clearly who has more. A nickel is worth how much, friends? That's right, it's worth 5. And my dime is worth 10. So for today, who had more? My little sister or me? Yes, it was me. Phew. Yeah, I'm glad we reviewed, so it made it a little bit easier to compare, right? Let's look at these numbers. Now, the 2 stacks of coins over here match one of the values of these coins. Let's go ahead and figure it out. How much are pennies worth again? Yeah, 1. Go ahead and count. See how much money is in this pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cents. Now, which coin was 5 cents? The quarter or the nickel? Can you go ahead and draw an imaginary line from the stack of pennies to the coin whose value it matches? Good job, yeah. 5 pennies is equal to 1 nickel, which is worth 5 cents. What about what's the value down here? We have 1 nickel and 2 dimes. I'm going to start by counting the bigger coins. 10, 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. Is 25 the same amount as a quarter's value? It is, so I can draw a connecting line there. Good job. When we think about how much a coin is actually worth, not just what it looks like, not like its size, because that kind of doesn't always work out, then we can compare their amounts, which is great, because our learning goal said, I can compare the values of different coins. And that's exactly what we did.
Hey guys, great work. All right, so today is a lot of review of things that we have already talked about. So for our first activity, it says match the label to the correct coins and write the value. There will be more than one match for each coin name. So over here, you can see we have the heads of the coins, which are the fronts, and the tails, just like a tail on a dog is in its back. The back of the coin is the tail. So then also over here, you have the names of the coins, and we have the word cents. Okay, so let's read the names of the coins first. Nickel, dime, quarter, penny. All right, so let's write the values. What would the value of a nickel be? How many cents is a nickel? Good, 5 cents. What about a dime? 10 cents. Okay, a quarter is the biggest, it has the biggest value, 25 cents. It's so hard to write on here. I hope you're doing a good job of writing, fixing those numbers. Okay, and a penny. Penny's the smallest, it's just worth 1 cent. Probably can't buy much with a penny. All right, so now we're going to match the pictures with the name and with the value. So let's see, let's start at the top. These look the same to me. Do they look the same to you? What coins are these? Pennies, very good. So I'm just going to draw a line from the dot to the word penny. What about this one? I see a bald eagle on its tail. That is a quarter, very good. This little one, a dime. This one, if you look really careful, you could see down here it says 1 cent. So that means it's a penny. And it's okay if there's 3 pictures to that one. This one has a different kind of building on the back. You gotta look really careful. It's a what? Nickel. This has our friend George Washington. That's a quarter. And this last one, it's the smallest one. It's a dime. Good job. Okay, so it's really good practice. Let's keep working. Let's look at our next page. Okay? Let's read these problems together. At the top it says, Tamara has 25 cents in her hand. Cross off the hand that cannot be Tamara's. So let's see, we're looking for the hand that's holding 25 cents. I want you to point on your screen to the one that you think we should cross off. Which one is not 25 cents? Good, this one is not 25 cents. What is that? That's a penny. That's 1 cent. Good, this is a quarter. This one is 25 cents. Good job. Okay, let's read our next problem. It says, Ben thinks he has more money than Peter. Is he correct? Why or why not? So here we have Ben's money, and here we have Peter's money. So I want you to write, how much money do they each have? Label on your coins. Good, Ben has 5 cents. This is a nickel. And Peter has 10 cents. Good. So let's look at the problem again. It says Ben thinks he has more money than Peter. Does Ben have more money? This is Ben's. No. So is he right? No, we would say It's going to be a little hard for me to write, but we'd say Ben is wrong. Ben is wrong. Why is Ben wrong? Because a nickel is less than a dime. A nickel has a smaller value. Good. Okay, down here at the bottom, let's move this up so we can see. Okay. Down here, what does it say? Number 5, solve. Match each statement to the coin that shows the value of the answer. All right, well, let's see. Let's do A first. 5 pennies equals how many cents? 5 pennies equals 5 cents. Good. Let's keep going down this side. 6 cents plus 4 cents. That's an easy addition problem. We know. What's 6 plus 4? 10 cents. Good job. 1 quarter. How many cents does a quarter equal? What's the value of a quarter? 25 cents. You're so smart. You guys have got this money thing down. Ooh, I see a subtraction. Look at that subtraction sign right there. 6 cents minus 5 cents. So they have 6. They're taking away 5. How many would be left? How many cents are left? Just 1. Okay, so now let's match. Which of these coins is worth 5 cents? The nickel. Uh-oh, I think that should be a nickel. Let's draw an N on that. There's our nickel. I think they have the wrong picture on there. Okay, 10 cents should be what? A dime. 25 cents equals a quarter. And our 1 cent is our penny. Good. So sometimes you have to be careful because sometimes the penny is brown on the paper, but sometimes the penny is going to be the same colors as the other ones just because of the way the paper prints. So even though the penny is gray like the other ones, it's still a penny. Okay? You guys did an awesome job today. Super proud of you. Tomorrow will be our last money video for the week. So make sure you come back tomorrow and I'll have a special song at the end of the video. Great job, you guys.